The biggest shift COHO makes isn't a feature, it's the moment you stop treating it like a software and start treating it like an extra pair of hands. Here's what that looks like in practice. A tenant reports an electrical issue. What should be a simple repair turns into 6 or 7 steps across multiple channels with different people working on different schedules. Too many moving parts for a simple fix. COHO centralises every conversation, task and update into one streamlined workflow. So for a maintenance job, the tenant scans the QR code in the kitchen, the job's then logged with a photo and an access window. You assign it to the electrician, they get the address, the codes, the invoice and instructions, everything they need. They sort the visit with the tenants themselves. The quote comes back through the app for you to approve or not, depending on how you've set it up. And that is just maintenance. Reminders that don't depend on you remembering, workflows that move themselves on, and tasks you can snooze for a week if you've got too much on. And the rest of your stack stays where it is. COHO connects you to the tools you already use, so referencing, accounting, the portals you advertise on, all of it talks to each other. You're still the one running the business. COHO is just the bit doing the running around. Have a look around the demo, see how it would work across your properties.